If someone told you there's a single health marker that predicts cardiovascular health, stress, resilience, recovery speed, sleep, quality, and longevity, and you could improve it in 10 minutes a day, you'd do it, right? That marker is how well you breathe. Not in theory, but measurably. DOJO Air makes it trackable for the first time.
How do you improve something that's invisible, like breath? That was the question we set out to answer. And we did, through this device, DOJO Air. One of the problems with breath work, breath training, or pulmonary improvements is you can't see it, and that's what we solve. We turn something you can't see into measurable data where you can provide measurable improvements. And that's DOJO.
So DOJO tests, trains, and tracks your lung capacity. Based on your lung capacity, we're able to create volumetric breathwork training specific to you, customized to whatever you're trying to do, whether it's improve your sports performance, whether it's to decrease stress or sleep better. We keep you accountable for doing breathwork. We have what's called the DOJO score, so it allows you to keep track of your streaks, keeps track of your improvement over time, and how much volume you're actually moving through the product.
I see DOJO as being kind of one of those tipping points in endurance preparation, in longevity. Can you imagine the benefits that you would see if you could really internalize and see the lungs and the capacity and strengthening that part of your game? That's going to be a game changer for everybody, and I think it's going to be really cool to be able to see that data, to be able to track that data, and then get into the programs to be able to strengthen it and take our bodies to even further and better destinations.
So there are a lot of areas where we are doing breath work, but we're not measuring it in any way at all. So with DOJO, we will finally have a device that can measure down to the milliliter every breath that you take.
Science is about reproducible, reliable measurement, and that's what I think DOJO can bring to our understanding and practice of breathing.
Today we track almost everything in our body, our heart rate, our metabolism, our sleep patterns, and yet we don't track the most beneficial and powerful biomarker of all, our breath. We spent years developing this new platform, and we're so happy to bring it to you on Kickstarter. Join us, be part of our journey, and unlock the vast potential of your own breath.
We track our steps, our heart rate, our sleep. But there's one system that drives all of it that we've never been able to measure. Your breath. Introducing DOJO Air, the first platform designed to measure, train, and improve your breathing in real time. Traditional breathwork is based on time. DOJO uses volumetric breathing, guiding you to precise air volumes based on your body. So instead of guessing, you're training with real data. DOJO Air combines a precision-engineered breathing device with a powerful app to guide you through personalized breath training. It tests your lung capacity, tracks your progress, and builds custom programs based on your physiology. As you breathe, DOJO gives you real-time feedback through light, sound, and gentle vibration. With every inhale and every exhale, you'll know exactly when you hit your target, turning breath work into something you can actually see, feel, and improve. At the core is a precision airflow sensor, inspired by medical-grade spirometry and miniaturized into a device you can use anywhere. Calibrated using custom-built systems designed to measure airflow with extreme accuracy. Whether you want to reduce stress, improve sleep, or enhance performance, DOJO builds breathing programs specific to you. Because your breath is the fastest way to influence your body and your mind. And over time, you'll see your progress with a simple score that reflects your improvement, your DOJO score. When you can measure something, you can train it. And when you can train it, you can change it. Train your breath. Change your physiology. Meet DOJO Air.